A modern environmental story about 5 students who love technology but discover that old phones, batteries, chargers, and electronic devices do not simply disappear when they are thrown away. Guys, look! Look at my new smartphone.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Is it really new?
Yes, it's the newest model. It's faster, bigger, and cooler.
What will you do with your old phone?
I don't know. Maybe I will throw it away. Throw it away? Wait, we need to talk about that. I have another one too. It does not work anymore. I was going to put it in the trash.
Please do not put it in the normal trash.
Why not?
It is just a small phone. Small doesn't make harmless. And all phone is electronic waste or e-waste.
E-waste?
Yes. Phone, chargers, tablets, and other broken electronics is e-waste. So what should we do with them? We should not leave them in nature or mix it with normal trash.
Because it can hurt the environment.
Yes, all electronic contain materials that need to be handled carefully. They can also waste useful materials.
So, buying a new phone can create problems if we don't think about the old one.
Exactly.
Then we should be smartphone users.
Smart users, not just smartphones.
I have an idea. First, can we repair the phone?
Good idea.
If it's damaged, we can use it longer or give it to someone who needs it.
And if it is completely broken, take it to a proper image collection or recycling place.
What about chargers?
Chargers should be handled too. Do not leave them on the ground or throw them into nature.
I understand now. I do not need a new phone just because a new model comes out.
Yes, use what you have for longer.
Repair when possible.
Reuse or donate when possible. Use in total. Let's make a promise.
I promise to use my smartphone wisely. I promise not to throw all electronics into normal trash.
I promise to repair and reuse when I can. I promise to keep e-waste away from nature.